The United Nations Security Council, established in 1945, is one of the 6 main organs of the UN. Its primary purpose is to maintain international peace and security. The UNSC consists of 15 members, 5 permanent members, P5, with veto power, and 10 elected members serving 2-year terms. Decision-making processes include resolutions, sanctions, and peacekeeping missions. Key responsibilities involve addressing conflicts, authorizing military actions, and promoting diplomatic solutions. The UNSC's permanent members, known as the P5, include the United States, United Kingdom, France, Russia, and China. These countries hold veto power, allowing any one of them to block substantive resolutions. The P5's role is crucial in shaping the Council's decisions and maintaining international stability. Their permanent membership reflects the geopolitical landscape of the post-World War II era. The UNSC includes 10 elected members who serve 2-year terms. These members are elected by the General Assembly based on regional representation and balance. The election process involves securing majority votes from UN member states. Elected members contribute to decision-making and bring diverse regional perspectives. The current elected members rotate periodically to ensure broad representation. Decision-making in the UNSC involves drafting and voting on resolutions. Resolutions are proposed by member states or the UNSC itself. Voting procedures require at least 9 affirmative votes, including the concurring votes of all 5 permanent members. The use of veto power by any P5 member can block substantive resolutions. The Council also adopts sanctions and authorizes peacekeeping missions to address threats to international peace and security. UNSC resolutions come in various forms, including those on sanctions, peacekeeping, and conflict resolution. Significant resolutions, such as those addressing the Korean War or the Iraq invasion, have had profound impacts on global peace and security. Implementation mechanisms involve member states and UN bodies enforcing these resolutions. Despite their importance, UNSC resolutions face criticisms and challenges related to effectiveness and political influence. UNSC peacekeeping operations began in 1948 with the establishment of the UN Truce Supervision Organization. Key operations include those in Cyprus, Lebanon, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Peacekeepers are tasked with maintaining ceasefires, protecting civilians, and supporting peace processes. Funding and resources for these missions come from member states. While peacekeeping has achieved successes, it also faces limitations and challenges in complex conflict environments. Sanctions imposed by the UNSC include economic, arms embargoes, and travel bans. The primary objectives are to compel compliance with international laws and address threats to peace. Notable case studies include sanctions on Iraq and North Korea. Enforcement involves member states and UN bodies monitoring compliance. Controversies and debates arise regarding the effectiveness and humanitarian impact of these sanctions. The UNSC plays a critical role in conflict resolution through mediation and negotiation. It facilitates peace processes and supports the implementation of peace agreements. Special envoys are appointed to mediate disputes and engage with conflicting parties. Collaboration with regional organizations, such as the African Union, enhances conflict resolution efforts. Despite successes, the UNSC faces challenges in addressing intractable conflicts and ensuring effective implementation of peace agreements. Humanitarian assistance is a key aspect of the UNSC's work, involving coordination with agencies like UNICEF and WHO. The Council addresses humanitarian crises resulting from conflicts, such as in Syria and Yemen. Funding and resource allocation are crucial for effective response. Monitoring and assessment ensure that aid reaches those in need. Challenges include managing complex emergencies and ensuring effective delivery of assistance. Amidst ongoing conflicts, the UNSC addresses terrorism through resolutions that outline measures and strategies for counterterrorism. These include freezing assets, travel bans, and arms embargoes. The Council coordinates with member states to implement counterterrorism initiatives and support global efforts. Challenges include balancing security measures with human rights and addressing the root causes of terrorism. The effectiveness of these measures varies and requires ongoing evaluation and adaptation. The UNSC influences international law by supporting in shaping treaties and legal precedents. It contributes to humanitarian law through resolutions that address issues such as war crimes and the protection of civilians. The Council interacts with the International Criminal Court (ICC) to hold perpetrators accountable. Legal and political implications of UNSC actions include shaping international norms and enforcing compliance with international laws. The UNSC addresses regional security challenges by focusing on specific conflicts and collaborating with regional organizations like the African Union. Responses are tailored to the unique contexts of each region, such as in the Middle East or Africa. Supporting regional peace initiatives enhances local ownership of peace processes. Evaluating regional security strategies helps assess effectiveness and make necessary adjustments to improve outcomes. Supporting democratic governance is a key aspect of the UNSC's role. The Council promotes democratic transitions and supports electoral processes in post-conflict countries. Addressing threats to democracy, such as political instability or violence, is crucial for fostering stable governance. Engaging with civil society organizations helps ensure broad participation and oversight. Monitoring democratic developments provides insights into progress and challenges. The UNSC plays a significant role in nuclear non-proliferation through support for the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty (NPT) and related initiatives. The Council addresses threats of nuclear proliferation by implementing sanctions and resolutions. Supporting disarmament initiatives, such as arms reduction talks, is a key aspect of its work. Monitoring compliance and enforcement ensures that states adhere to non-proliferation commitments. Case studies, like resolutions on Iran's nuclear program, illustrate the UNSC's role in managing nuclear-related issues. Global health security is an emerging area of focus for the UNSC. The Council addresses health crises that arise from conflicts, such as the Ebola outbreak in West Africa. Supporting global health initiatives involves coordination with organizations like the WHO. Funding and resource allocation are essential for effective health responses. Evaluating health security responses helps improve future interventions and address challenges. Engaging with civil society is an important aspect of the UNSC's work. The Council includes NGOs in discussions and facilitates dialogue to incorporate diverse perspectives. Supporting grassroots initiatives enhances the effectiveness of peacebuilding efforts. Addressing civil society concerns helps ensure that policies and actions are responsive to local needs. Promoting transparency and accountability builds trust and improves the overall impact of UNSC work. Climate change is increasingly recognized as a security threat by the UNSC. The Council supports adaptation and mitigation efforts to address the impacts of climate change. This includes addressing challenges faced by vulnerable regions, such as rising sea levels and extreme weather events. Coordinating with environmental organizations enhances the effectiveness of climate-related initiatives. Integrating climate considerations into security strategies ensures a comprehensive approach to addressing global challenges. Protecting human rights is a core function of the UNSC. The Council promotes human rights through resolutions that address violations and abuses. Supporting human rights monitoring helps ensure accountability and protection for affected populations. Collaboration with human rights organizations enhances the effectiveness of these efforts. Evaluating the impact on human rights provides insights into the effectiveness of the UNSC's actions and helps improve future responses. Supporting sustainable development is increasingly aligned with the UNSC's security goals. The Council supports initiatives that promote economic growth and social progress while addressing security threats. Collaborating with development agencies ensures that security and development efforts are integrated. Monitoring and evaluating development outcomes help assess progress and identify areas for improvement. Ensuring that initiatives are effective and contribute to overall stability. The UNSC supports regional security arrangements by collaborating with organizations such as the African Union and NATO. Facilitating regional peace agreements helps address local conflicts and enhance stability. Addressing regional security challenges involves working with member states and regional actors to manage threats. Enhancing regional cooperation fosters shared solutions and mutual support. Evaluating the effectiveness of regional arrangements ensures that they contribute positively to overall security and stability. Supporting political processes is a key function of the UNSC. The Council facilitates political transitions in post-conflict countries and supports democratic elections. Addressing political instability involves providing support to stabilize governments and institutions. Engaging with political leaders and institutions helps foster effective governance and cooperation. Evaluating political process outcomes provides insights into the success of these efforts and helps refine future strategies. Enhancing global governance is a key role of the UNSC. The Council supports structures that promote international cooperation and address global challenges through multilateral approaches. Engaging with international organizations, such as the UN General Assembly and the International Monetary Fund, strengthens global governance. Evaluating the impact on global governance helps assess the effectiveness of these efforts and identify areas for improvement. Conflict prevention is a crucial aspect of the UNSC's work. Implementing early warning systems helps identify and address potential conflicts before they escalate. Promoting preventive diplomacy involves engaging with conflicting parties to resolve issues peacefully. Supporting confidence-building measures fosters trust and reduces tensions. Engaging with potential conflict actors helps address root causes. Monitoring and evaluating prevention efforts ensure that strategies are effective and adapt to emerging challenges. Promoting the rule of law is central to the UNSC's mission. The Council supports the development of legal frameworks and standards to ensure justice and accountability. Supporting judicial and legal reforms helps strengthen legal systems in member states. Addressing issues of impunity and justice involves holding perpetrators accountable for crimes. Collaborating with international legal bodies, such as the International Criminal Court, enhances these efforts. Evaluating the impact on the rule of law helps assess progress and refine strategies. Promoting gender equality is an important focus for the UNSC. The Council supports initiatives that advance gender equality and address gender-based violence. Promoting women's participation in peace processes enhances inclusivity and effectiveness. Integrating gender perspectives into policies ensures that both men's and women's needs are considered. Evaluating gender-related outcomes helps measure progress and ensure that efforts are impactful and inclusive. Human rights protection is a central component of the UNSC's work. The Council promotes human rights through resolutions that address violations and support monitoring efforts. Collaborating with human rights organizations helps ensure effective protection and advocacy. Evaluating the impact of human rights initiatives provides insights into their effectiveness and helps refine future actions. Addressing global security threats is a major responsibility of the UNSC. The Council identifies and assesses various threats, including terrorism and weapon proliferation. Implementing counterterrorism measures involves sanctions and strategic responses. Supporting peacebuilding and stabilization efforts helps manage and mitigate threats. Evaluating global security responses ensures that strategies are effective and adapt to evolving challenges. The UNSC supports disarmament initiatives by promoting treaties and agreements aimed at reducing weapons. Addressing both conventional and non-conventional weapons, including nuclear arms, is a key focus. Promoting arms control measures helps manage and reduce arms proliferation. Engaging with disarmament organizations enhances these efforts. Evaluating the impact of disarmament initiatives provides insights into their effectiveness and helps refine strategies. Supporting refugees and internally displaced persons, IDPs, is an important role for the UNSC. The Council addresses refugee crises by coordinating with humanitarian organizations to provide assistance and protection. Supporting IDP assistance involves ensuring their needs are met and facilitating durable solutions. Collaboration with organizations like UNHCR enhances these efforts. Evaluating support efforts helps assess effectiveness and improve future responses. The UNSC authorizes the use of force in certain conflict situations to maintain or restore international peace and security. Setting parameters and conditions ensures that force is used appropriately and effectively. Monitoring and assessing military actions help ensure compliance with UNSC resolutions. Balancing force with diplomatic solutions is crucial for long-term peace. Evaluating the impact and outcomes of force helps refine strategies and improve future interventions. Supporting post-conflict reconstruction is a key role of the UNSC. The Council facilitates recovery and rebuilding efforts by supporting infrastructure and institution development. Addressing social and economic challenges helps stabilize post-conflict areas. Engaging with international partners, including development agencies and donor countries, enhances these efforts. Evaluating reconstruction efforts ensures that strategies are effective and contribute to long-term stability. The UNSC addresses trade-related conflicts and supports negotiations to resolve trade disputes. Promoting economic stability through trade is essential for global security. Collaborating with international trade organizations, such as the World Trade Organization, enhances these efforts. Evaluating the impact on international trade helps assess the effectiveness of interventions and ensure that trade contributes to stability and peace. Cybersecurity is an emerging focus for the UNSC. The Council addresses cyber threats and attacks by supporting cybersecurity initiatives and promoting international cooperation. Collaborating with tech companies and experts helps enhance cybersecurity measures. Evaluating the effectiveness of these measures is crucial for adapting to evolving cyber threats and ensuring global security in the digital age. Supporting education in conflict zones is a vital aspect of the UNSC's work. The Council addresses barriers to education, such as violence and displacement, and collaborates with educational organizations to provide access. Promoting education for children and youth helps build resilience and support long-term development. Evaluating the impact on educational outcomes provides insights into the effectiveness of these initiatives and helps improve future efforts. The UNSC supports technological advancements that contribute to peace and security. Addressing the impact of technology on conflicts, such as cyber warfare and autonomous weapons, is crucial. Promoting innovation for conflict resolution involves leveraging new technologies for peacebuilding. Collaborating with tech and research institutions enhances these efforts. Evaluating the impact of technology and innovation helps ensure that they contribute positively to global security. Protecting cultural heritage during conflicts is an important aspect of the UNSC's work. The Council addresses the impact of conflicts on cultural sites and supports preservation efforts. Collaborating with cultural organizations, such as UNESCO, helps safeguard cultural assets. Promoting awareness and advocacy raises the profile of cultural heritage protection. Evaluating the impact ensures that preservation efforts are effective and contribute to cultural continuity. Supporting media freedom is essential for a free and informed society. The UNSC addresses threats to journalists and media personnel in conflict zones and promotes access to information. Collaborating with media organizations helps ensure protection and support for press freedom. Evaluating the impact on media freedom provides insights into the effectiveness of these efforts and helps improve protections for journalists. Supporting small states is a key role of the UNSC, particularly as they face unique security challenges. The Council addresses these challenges by supporting diplomatic and development initiatives. Facilitating international cooperation helps small states build resilience and stability. Promoting support from the international community ensures that small states receive the assistance they need. Evaluating the impact on small states provides insights into the effectiveness of these efforts and helps refine strategies. Engaging youth in peace processes is a vital aspect of the UNSC's work. The Council supports initiatives that address youth-related challenges in conflicts and promotes educational and development opportunities. Collaborating with youth organizations helps amplify their voices and contributions. Evaluating the impact on youth engagement provides insights into the effectiveness of these initiatives and helps enhance support for young people. Implementing economic sanctions is a key tool for the UNSC to address threats to international peace. The Council assesses the impact of sanctions on targeted states and supports humanitarian exemptions to mitigate negative effects on civilians. Collaborating with international financial institutions enhances the enforcement of sanctions. Evaluating the effectiveness of sanctions helps refine strategies and ensure they achieve desired outcomes. Building international partnerships is essential for the UNSC to address global challenges effectively. The Council collaborates with organizations such as the World Bank and the EU to support joint initiatives. Coordinated responses to global issues, such as climate change and terrorism, are enhanced through these partnerships. Evaluating the impact of international partnerships provides insights into their effectiveness and helps strengthen collaborative efforts. Supporting education and research is an important role for the UNSC. The Council promotes educational initiatives that focus on peace and security and supports research on conflict resolution. Collaborating with academic institutions enhances the development of innovative solutions. Addressing barriers to education in conflict zones helps ensure continuity of learning. Evaluating the impact on education and research provides insights into the effectiveness of these efforts and informs future strategies. Promoting adherence to humanitarian law is a key function of the UNSC. The Council addresses violations through resolutions and supports international criminal tribunals, such as the International Criminal Court. Collaborating with legal experts and organizations enhances enforcement efforts. Evaluating the impact on humanitarian law helps ensure compliance and improve strategies for addressing violations. Public diplomacy is crucial for the UNSC to enhance communication and engage with the global public. The Council promotes transparency and accountability by addressing public concerns and misconceptions. Supporting media and information initiatives helps raise awareness of UNSC activities. Evaluating the impact on public perception provides insights into the effectiveness of these efforts and helps improve communication strategies. Multilateralism is at the core of the UNSC's approach to global issues. The Council supports collective action and cooperation among member states to address challenges. Promoting the role of international organizations enhances the effectiveness of multilateral efforts. Evaluating the impact of these efforts provides insights into their success and helps strengthen cooperative approaches to global issues. Conflict mediation is a key role for the UNSC in resolving disputes. The Council supports mediation efforts by engaging with experienced mediators and negotiators. Facilitating dialogue between conflicting parties helps find peaceful solutions. Addressing barriers to mediation ensures that conflicts are managed effectively. Evaluating the effectiveness of mediation efforts provides insights into their success and informs future strategies. Human security focuses on protecting individuals from threats such as violence and poverty. The UNSC addresses human security threats by supporting initiatives that safeguard vulnerable populations. Collaborating with organizations dedicated to human security enhances these efforts. Evaluating the impact on human security provides insights into the effectiveness of these initiatives and helps improve future actions. Addressing emerging global issues is a key function of the UNSC. The Council supports innovative solutions and promotes research and development to tackle new challenges. Collaborating with experts and organizations enhances these efforts. Evaluating the impact on global issues helps assess the effectiveness of responses and adapt strategies to evolving threats. Strengthening the UN system is an important role for the UNSC. The Council supports reforms and improvements to enhance the effectiveness of UN agencies. Promoting coordination among UN bodies ensures a unified approach to global challenges. Addressing challenges within the UN system helps improve overall functionality. Evaluating the impact on the UN system provides insights into the success of these efforts and informs future strategies. In conclusion, the UNSC plays a multifaceted role in maintaining international peace and security. Reflecting on its achievements and challenges provides valuable insights into its effectiveness. Identifying areas for future focus ensures that the Council continues to address emerging threats and global challenges. Continued engagement and adaptation are essential for the UNSC's evolving role in promoting peace and security worldwide. Thank you for your attention.